Ça verse pas ce truc?
Non.
Hein? C'est pas très stable quand même. Des fougères.
On dirait qu'on est retourné dans la préhistoire.
Moi, ça me rappelle quand j'ai marché dans la jungle.
See the vine in this cypress? I mean, in this palm tree?
Voilà.
The vine in this tree here? Right here? 3 leaves. What is it? Poison ivy. That's what it looks like here. It grows like a vine on the ground and in the trees, and it grows everywhere. If you decide to walk through the woods while you're here, chances are you're going to come across that. That's what it looks like. Stay out of it so you don't itchy scratchy for 2 weeks. What's the rule? Touch it, that's a good rule, right? Yeah. Use for toilet paper, that's the rule. Yeah.
C'est pas facile
What
parce
Boy Scout say?
que
Leaves of 3.
gris sur gris.
C'est quoi le
L'herbe très ça te fait allergène, donc si tu touches, tu vas avoir de très
Allergique.
ouais. Moi j'ai eu c'est partout.
Ah d'accord. Faut pas toucher avec des petits lapins.
S'il y a 3 feuilles, on le laisse tranquille. On les touche pas. Moi je sais parce que je me suis couchée à un moment donné dedans et je peux vous dire que j'ai eu des plaies pendant 1 mois avant de les soigner. Ça démange et puis ça s'infecte, c'est comme du poison, c'est vraiment...
Alors ça c'est un opossum.
Yeah, I'm trying to teach him how to read. It's not working too good. Notice the nice breeze in here? Not. See how thick it is? Yeah, come back in August and take a ride through with through here in the afternoon. And enjoy the 120-degree heat, the 100% humidity. Feed the 43 species of mosquitoes. Woohoo! It's a blast. Yeah, this is all underwater in the summer too. Yeah, we're in a cypress strand. All your cypress have a nice straight trunk. They're the tallest trees in here. Needle-like leaf, looks like a conifer, but it's actually an evergreen, even though it loses its leaves when there's no water. That's where they get their name, bald cypress. The air plants grown in the trees are called bromeliads. Bromelia's part of the pineapple family. The pointy, stumpy things you've been seeing sticking up out of the ground everywhere, cypress knees or pneumatophores, part of the root system of the cypress to help it breathe so it doesn't drown. It's a snorkel for the tree. So that's how high the water gets in here, not very much. The palm trees are disabled. Disabled royal palms are the only native palm trees here. All the rest you see have been introduced. A lot of trees in here besides cypress. 17 kinds of ferns, scrub oak, live oak, wild coffee, white guava, dogwood. Behind you is a pond apple. This is a Florida dayhoon or Florida holly. Turns red in the winter. Behind that's a red maple.
C'est super beau. Hein.
Say hello to all my ex-wives. Yeah, I've been busy. There's room for 2 more. Yeah, all your early settlers here and your Indians all buried above ground, guys. Can't bury underwater. Can't dig a hole more. Let's see what's going on here. Let's go.
Le deuxième arbre qui en fait ce qu'ils font c'est qu'ils étranglent l'arbre, ils prennent toute sa substance et ils prennent sa place.
C'est la lutte, ouais. Une grosse racine, ouais.
Comme un, ouais.
Une guerre, on racine autour.
Et il prend sa place.
Ça s'appelle comment?
Je vais entendre.
Le nom? Je peux pas prendre un pseudonyme.
Moi les noms, je vais vous dire.
Oh, ça passe.
Like to cook? If you know what that is, you might have to break it a little bit and smell it.
Ça a une odeur, moi j'aime bien.
Bay leaves, very good. These are bay leaves. Across the pond, lawbear, lawlear, lawlier.
Du laurier.
Laurel.
Laurier. Laurier sauce pour faire la cuisine. Ils sont grandes les feuilles. Hein. Ouais, c'est ça. Du laurier.
6 leaves for $1 in the grocery store here. I wonder how many people know they're growing right in their backyard. That's a bay tree.
C'est vrai, hein, c'est tellement cher dans les magasins. Avoir du
If
laurier,
you ever have an
c'est
ant problem in your house, put bay leaves out. You won't have any more ants. Ants, rodents,
super bon
silverfish,
pour
fleas, mice, and a lot of other animals. Take it from a guy who lives in the swamp. This is something the exterminator does not want you to know. You should, yeah, you knew that, didn't you?
Yeah, I found that recently.
Si tu le mets dans la maison, ça fait fuir les fourmis. Les souris, les fourmis.
Marrant.
La dernière fois que je suis venue, il y avait effectivement des cerfs qui sont passés, ils sont arrêtés, ils ont mangé, c'était drôle, c'était bien. Faut espérer. Je ne sais pas si peut-être ils entendent le bruit.
All right,
du
guys, it's
moteur.
5 o'clock somewhere. Ready for some moonshine? Yeah. Al Capone actually hid out in Everglades City for a few years during Prohibition. You know, stayed right there at the Rod and Gun Club. Maintained about a dozen stills while he was here too. Yeah, that guy was everywhere, man. Maybe Jimmy's in one of those boxes. Could be. That's a typical poacher's camp from around 1900. There were no paved roads in South Florida until the 1940s. Tamiami Trail out here was completed the first time in 1928. It was a one-lane dirt ox cart trail from Tampa to Miami, Tamiami. So if you were running from the law, hiding from the law, doing illegal stuff like poaching alligators, moonshine, other things, this was a good place to do it. There was no law here. Although they did send 2 game wardens in 1902 to stop all the poachers. Two. Yeah, I don't know where they found them, but they sent 2 more in 1908. Yeah, they quit sending them after those 2. Yeah, none of them came back. Alligators were almost extinct here by 1980. Again, when I was a kid, you could go all day long, hardly ever see one. Stringent leather export laws in the early 70s due to Nixon saved the alligator here. We have about 2.2 million in the state today. So you can hunt them again, and they're also licensing alligator farms where they're growing them for food and leather products. These are popping up all over the country now, not just here. There's even one in Colorado. Yep. Colorado's got it going on. They know how to make money. Call that the revenue state. NASCAR was started from moonshine. Did you know that? Yep. You know, some of you knew that. Yeah, the Pettys, the Johnsons, the Kennedys. Yeah, they were all moonshine runners. They had the fastest cars. Yeah, they got an argument whose car was the fastest. They built the first oval clay track in North Carolina, Wilkesboro. Started racing. That's how NASCAR was born. True story. Junior Johnson, the race car driver, got a 30-year prison sentence for running moonshine. That's kind of steep, don't you think? Yeah, President Reagan thought it was kind of steep too. He pardoned him after 6 years. You can buy his moonshine legally over the shelf today here in Florida, although it's been knocked down to 110 proof. You ever smell that being made? It's pungent sweet. You can smell it from a half a mile away.
Après, je vais pas
Ça, c'est le drame.
Des crânes de dinosaures.
C'est pour faire l'alcool. Moonshine, c'est l'alcool du sud des États-Unis. C'est très fort, 110 degrés, jusqu'à 110 degrés. Alors les trafiquants à l'époque de la prohibition, tels et les gangsters se tenaient dans les Everglades parce qu'il n'y avait pas de loi en fait. Ils ont envoyé 4 policiers dans l'espace de 10 ans qui ne sont jamais revenus et en 1908 ils ont arrêté d'envoyer des patrouilles. Et donc Al Capone s'est caché ici pendant quelques temps. Il habitait à Everglades City. continuait avec ses distilleries ici parce qu'il n'y avait pas de... On ne pouvait pas le choper ici.
110 degrés, ça fait 1,1 kg d'alcool par litre. Voilà. 12 degrés, ça fait 120 grammes.
Ouais, on va venir les voir après, ouais. Il y en a deux, je pense, deux ou trois qui habitent, ouais.
Elle était rafraîchissante cette forêt. C'est vrai, oui. Bien fraîche.
Un, deux, trois, il y en a trois. Deux ou trois?
Hey, come on.
Non, il y en a trois, moi j'en vois trois.
L'autre qui est où?
Kryptonite.
Ah non, il est... Ah ouais, deux, pardon.
Là-bas, puis il y a un énorme.
Maybe he won't come to me.
Moi je vois pas, j'ai ma...
Come here, boy.
Il y en a un là-bas et il y en a un là, là.
Mating season.
Il y en a pas un là-bas là?
Well, this is the time of year you need to watch out for alligators because they're mating. And it can be very aggressive. When you guys go over here to the zoo, you can hold a baby alligator if you like. While you're holding that baby alligator, think of these two. This is the honeymoon suite. That's Mr. right there. That's Mrs. across the pond. You can tell they're married. Kryptonite and Henrietta. Yeah, these kills start their courtship in around April. During the summer months, she'll build a nest in here and lay between 20 to 50 eggs about the size of a ping pong ball. If the eggs incubate at 90 degrees or above, they all hatch male. If they incubate at 86 degrees or below, they all hatch female. The 4 degrees in between there can go either way. That's right, no X's and Y's here. It's all about temperature. That holds true with every egg-laying reptile on this planet, and also chickens and a lot of other birds, anything that's related to dinosaurs. My theory about the dinosaurs, 5-degree climate change, 2 generations. Think about it. If you ever have one of these guys approach you in the wild while you're here, somebody's been feeding it, it's a dangerous alligator, get away from it, you're about to get attacked. Alligators do not like people. They're going to run from you every time unless they have young around. You touch a baby alligator, you make it squeak, you better start running because mom's coming. Yeah, mom can run upwards of 20 miles an hour. Yeah. Just run faster than the guy behind you. Yeah, you don't have to be the fastest, just not the slowest. Kryptonite, come here, boy. I bet you if I had some chicken, you'd come over here. Yeah, she's got him worn out. Yeah, here you go. Come on, come here. Come on, boy. Come on. Come here. Take it. Yeah, here's a couple myths about alligators, guys. Zigzag to get away from an alligator. Wrong. Alligators can only run in a straight line. You'll zigzag right back in front of them. Plus, that shortens your path. And alligators also eat from side to side. You're going to fill them up. Yeah, they have to completely stop the turn, so do a side step. If that alligator turns, do another side step. He'll get tired of that pretty quickly and leave you alone. Myth number 2, climb a tree to get away from an alligator. Although this sounds like a good idea, pick a tall tree and be sure you have a lot of water with you too. Because that 10-foot alligator can go 8 feet up a tree right on the end of its tail. So yeah, pick a tall tree. Yeah, you know why you have the water, right?
Wait a lot longer. You can.
That's right. You see what he's doing right now? That's what they do best. Nothing. He's going to sit there and wait for you to come down. Florida record alligator, 18.5 feet. Record alligator was caught in Louisiana, 19 feet and 2 inches. The cage on this buggy is 18 feet long. 2,000 pounds, that alligator. That big boy over there, you can't really see him real good. Most of him's in the water. He's about 10 feet long, weighs about 600 pounds. So twice his length.